Hey, what's up, all my friends? So today I actually want to talk to you about a natural supplement called Natural Mounjaro. This is actually something that has been helping countless people all over the world to finally achieve weight loss. Like, when you work out every single day, sometimes you don't even want to go to the gym or you don't want to do that diet and you're just like really pissed off that you are not putting off weight. You're just like gaining weight. There could be so many reasons, and sometimes people do like really crazy old diets thinking that's going to help them, but you need the right ingredients. You need to target like your metabolism, you need to target your fat cells. So the cool thing about this natural Mounjaro is how fast it actually helps you to lose weight. Speaking on that note, like, so many people ask me about their link. They do have an official webpage, which I placed right here below this video in the description box. That link will take you directly to their official webpage, and you have some fantastic prices going on too. But guys, Natural Mounjaro is unlike anything you've tried before. It is natural, it is safe, it has only the best ingredients to really help your metabolism get, boosted and fired up and really help you to target all those fat stores. So think about it this way. You're going to start to be healthy. You're going to take something that is really good and really good for your bodies, and you're going to have weight loss a lot quicker. Pop over to that link to learn more, okay? Thanks for watching.